Topic: The power of positive thinking. Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. This will help you learn English with us every day. Today's topic is the power of positive thinking. Positive thinking means looking at life in a hopeful way. It does not mean that problems will disappear. It means you believe good things can happen, even in difficult times. Positive thinking gives us energy. When you think negative, you feel weak. But when you think positive, you feel strong. For example, before an exam, say, "I will try my best." This simple thought gives you confidence. Positive words also matter. The words we say every day affect our mind. If you always say, "I cannot speak English," your brain will believe it. But if you say, "I am learning English step by step," your brain will support you. Positive people inspire us. Stay close to people who support you. If your friends laugh at your mistakes, you may feel sad. But if they say, "Keep going, you are improving," you will feel motivated. Positive thinking also improves health. Scientists say that stress can make us sick, but when you smile, relax, and think positive, your body becomes stronger. Another important habit is gratitude. Gratitude means saying thank you. When you thank God, your family, or your teachers, your mind becomes peaceful. A grateful heart always sees opportunities. So, friends, remember, positive thinking gives energy, changes your words, brings good people into your life, improves health, and fills your heart with gratitude. Try to practice positive thinking every day. It will help you in English learning and in your whole life. If you found this podcast useful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.